Hi guys! Tour ko lang po kayo dito sa ating Roz sa Angeles, Pampanga. Dito po yan sa may Marisol banda. Ayan, so ito po ang kanilang labas. Roz Delicacies. Okay, so this is their front, the entrance door. So ayan po ang kanilang dining area. As you can see, meron po silang mga palamuti na parang shining, shimmering, splendid. Hindi kumukupas na Christmas lights. Ayan pong aking Junakis. So, ayan, may pa-chandelier po sila. Ayan. So, very, very shiny talaga ang kanila and very cozy ang kanilang dining area. Maliit lang yung area, pero very comfortable naman po. This is their cashier area where you can pay. This is their nachos with minced beef on top, french fries, of course. Walang kamatayang french fries. This is their fan. So, sabi nga nung anak ko parang may multo. Gumagalaw pero yung LC niya is hindi. So, ayan. Inad lang namin siya sa video. So, there's another peek, another look to their dining area. So we have ordered the Anli pork ribs, which is very soft and very yummy.